Need to share your Wise profile easily for receiving payments? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to find and copy your Wisetag in just a few clicks. Stick around, it's fast, simple, and super useful. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Wise account either on your browser or through the mobile app. Step 2. On the left-hand menu, click the Payment tab to access your transaction tools. Step 3. Scroll down until you see the Payment Tools section. Step 4. In this section, you'll find your Wisetag. Simply copy it and you're ready to share. Bonus tip, your Wisetag is a unique and safe way to receive money. Consider adding it to your email signature or business card for easy access. And that's how you find and copy your Wisetag on Wise. Whether you're getting paid for freelance work or splitting costs, it's a convenient tool to have. Like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick and helpful guides. See you next time!